Are you also capturing your leads from LinkedIn and you want to create your email marketing campaign in your Mailchimp? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a connection between LinkedIn and Mailchimp using Pabbly Connect such that whenever you receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically the subscriber is created in your Mailchimp without you lifting any finger. So this can fasten the process of capturing the leads from LinkedIn and adding that to your email marketing list in Mailchimp. If you also want to learn how you can create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how we can build a connection between LinkedIn and Mailchimp using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that to forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. Here, all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I am going to create the workflow from the scratch. Name this workflow as automatically add LinkedIn leads to Mailchimp, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I am going to select it as LinkedIn automations and then click on create. Here, workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically a subscriber is created in Mailchimp, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking LinkedIn, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select lead notification and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. You have to enter your credentials, after which your LinkedIn will be connected to Pabbly Connect. I have already an existing connection. I've created this connection multiple times, so I'm going to save this. You will see connection saved successfully. LinkedIn is connected to Pabbly Connect, and over here I have my sponsored accounts. Now in the sponsored accounts, I have to enter the account on which I'm working. So Pabbly's ad account is the one. I have selected that only. After selecting this account, I have to click save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do that, I am going to do a form submission or generate a lead in my LinkedIn. This particular campaign is in default mode. I'm going to open this and do a form submission or generate a test lead, for which I'm going to click on this apply now. Now, as the campaign is in default, I get to fill only 2 fields, but when your campaign will be in live mode, your leads will get to fill all the fields. Here, the fields which we have auto-filled are this first name, last name, and the company name. I'm going to enter these details. I'm going to enter my email address as bestlead@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm going to enter my phone number here as this one. And then I'm going to click on this submit here. As soon as the form submission is done, all the details should be captured in my workflow. Let me open my workflow here. Let's wait for the webhook response. Here I received the response. You can see response here 10 seconds ago. The email address is bestlead@pabblytudes.com. Phone number is this. First name is Pabbly. Last name is this. And the company is Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that to my Mailchimp. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application, I'm going to search for Mailchimp. In the action event, I am going to select add member with custom field and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. To get this token, I have to open my Mailchimp, go towards this profile, click on this profile, and then I have to go towards this extras and then click on this API keys. Now as I land towards this page, I have to create a new API token, for which I'm going to scroll down, and over here I will get this option of create a key. So I'm going to name this as LinkedIn and then simply click on this generate key. A new API token is provided to me, which I have copied, and I'm going to paste it over here and then have to enter the data center. To get this data center, I'm going to open my Mailchimp. On the top you can see this US6. I'm going to copy this, paste it over here, and then I'm going to save this. You will see Mailchimp will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to enter the details. Over here I'm not going to enter the details manually, instead I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this LinkedIn and then enter the email address which I have received. In the audience list, I just have one, so that's why I've selected that only. If you have any other, you can do that. I'm not going to put any tag, so I'm going to skip this. The status will be subscribed only. Interest, I have not received the response, so I'm going to skip this. The company is this. Then we have the designation. I have not received the designation. Again, I'm going to skip this. The first name is Pabbly. The last name is this. And then we have the phone number. So the phone number was this one. Over here, you see mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So over here I have received this response, which means the subscriber has not been created. I am going to remove this email address. I have just now deleted the email address best lead, and that's why I'm not able to create the same subscriber with the same email address. I'm going to change the email address best lead. Let's keep it as 123@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to save and send this. You will see the subscriber will be created here. Here it is. We have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my Mailchimp. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to go towards the audience, and here it is. We have created this best lead. So if I click on this edit, we can see all the details. The email address is bestlead123@pabblytudes.com. The first name is Pabbly, last name is this, mobile number is this, and then we have the rest of the details which we have entered with the company name. So this is how we have built the connection between LinkedIn and Mailchimp using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.